Making money on Instagram, fool. It wasn't necessary. It wasn't necessary. We're going to talk about your monetization message today. This is really important. I have a very good monetization message. It enables me to make money every single week on Instagram. So I want to teach you how to make money on Instagram. You gotta have the right monetization message, okay? Here's what I mean by this. Have you ever been in a position, and you can let me know in the comments, I'm not talking a sexual position, get your mind out of the gutter, okay? Have you ever been in a position where you're trying to get success? You're trying to create this. But in order to create this, here is you, and maybe this is you on Instagram, maybe this is you on Twitter, maybe this is you in life, shit, I don't know. But you're trying to do all these different things, okay? All these different things, trying to get this. It doesn't happen like that, okay? You need to have a monetization message in anything, especially on Instagram. You get 1 billion people there, all right? Don't be an idiot, don't be stupid. You've got to get a consistent message to at least a very small, minute percentage of these people so you can get the money. Get the money, right? Check out my eraser, it's pretty cool. Hey, smash the like button if you haven't already done so, and make sure you tap that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, stay notified on all my Instagram videos, all the entrepreneurs tips, tricks, business advice, all that stuff that gets money. I got some money. I've made, I don't know, $15,000 in the last 3 days on Instagram, through Instagram, with Instagram. You need to learn how, okay? I have a monetization message. I don't know what you call it. We like to use all these acronyms with the make money online, all these cool little lingos and shit like that. I don't get it, but you remember it. So we can call it M&M, monetization message. I don't care, all right? You need to have a monetization message. What that means is as you're posting your content on Instagram, okay, here's your profile, here's your username, here's your bio, okay? And then you've got what? Let's do that, right? Okay, let's just say those six images. I guess we would have more, right? We'd have this much, okay? As you're posting your shit, okay? Have congruency, first of all. When I'm new and I come to your profile, I need to see like, okay, I know what this is about. This is fashion, this is working out, this is about entrepreneurship, this is about business advice, this is about food, whatever. This is about this specific type of gelato ice cream. This is a ketchup account, like whatever. All right, I need to have that monetization message. So, you know, if I'm selling ketchup, all right, the ketchup guy, that's my username, okay? My bio, all right, ketchup master, best ketchup in the world, gluten-free, link, ketchupmaster.com. What are the images? Some damn ketchup, 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 ketchup and fries, okay? What's the message? Well, it looks like this dude sells ketchup. Shit, yeah. Okay, captions. Here's my picture. I've got this ketchup right here. Captions, all about ketchup. Hashtags, ketchup this, ketchup that, ketchup this, ketchup that, ketchup this. When I'm networking, go to the food accounts, posting all the burgers with the cheese and with the fries and with the ketchup. Comment on the people that are engaging on those photos, okay? You're cultivating a message, all right? Let me give you an example of that in the business, in the digital, in the make money online world, all right? I always talk about the intellectual growth formula. It's on my Instagram Mastery webinar. You can click the link in the description if you have not hopped on the web class. Won't cost you anything but your time. Make sure you register on there, okay? Same training that's been endorsed by Jason Stone, Millionaire Mentor. Same training that has led members to Ty Lopez's house that I've trained. Like, it works, it's proven, it's done. As a matter of fact, we even copyrighted the growth methods. And how we grow is we use the intellectual growth formula, okay? What I see so often is people, one, they don't have that message. I'm talking about congruency, okay? So recap so far, congruency. Congruent bio, username, your URL, what your bio says, the content you're posting. It's a signature, right? It's specific to you. We need to see that it's all in line, okay? Like Henry Ford, what did he do really good at? He had assembly line, he sold Model Ts, okay? He wasn't selling Hondas and Maseratis and Chevys and Dodges like, here's Model T, it's black, it's got 2 doors, this is how it gets put together, boom, go, done. All right, like that was his signature. So stop going all over the place when you're trying to make money on Instagram. Oh, you need to try this. Oh, here's my affiliate link for this. Oh, here, do this. Oh, here, now I'm selling this. Oh, power likes. Oh, power views. Oh, here's a sandwich. Here, buy this book on Amazon. Stop it, okay? Go deep. Go deep, have a defined message. People that are successful have a defined message, okay? Frank Kern, intent-based branding. That's his proprietary method, all right? Kevin Davids, got a thing. Dan Henry, got a thing. Grant Cardone, look, real estate, real estate, real estate. You gotta get your money right, son. Like, dude, you gotta get your money right, man. You gotta get you some damn money. You gotta make money. You gotta keep money. You gotta multiply money. All right? I think I'm like a GC Junior. Okay, he's got a message, and it's the same. It's consistent. So over time, as people keep, God damn, Ben keeps talking about this IGF. He keeps talking about it. He keeps talking about it. All right? Let's say your name's Bob. You're watching this. Bob, you're all about yoga pants. Don't know why. You got a fetish for yoga pants. I don't know. But Bob is always talking about this type of yoga pants, this type of yoga pants. And if Bob is selling yoga pants, pretty soon, this skeptical asshole right here, they're gonna buy. They're gonna buy at some point, okay? So you have this brand message, this monetization message that you're conveying, all right? If you keep doing that, if you keep doing that, if you keep doing that, pretty soon, people go, shit, this guy must know what he's talking about. He's always talking about this. This is the thing, this is his bread and butter. At the end of the day, it's always this. It's always this. He swears by it. She swears this works. And people start believing. They overcome their own skepticism. They go, shit, okay, you got me. All right, let's do it. I'll take my credit card out, I'll buy. All right, you gotta start doing that. You gotta start doing that. So think about your niche and figure that out. Let's say you're in e-commerce and you're selling cell phone cases. Okay, you're selling cell phone cases. Well, find a cell phone case, all right? Here's a cell phone case. You've got all these different cell phone cases. Let's say that was horrible. It looks like a damn gravestone, okay? Here's all these cell phone cases, all right? And you've got the iPhone, you got the Samsung, you got the Google Pixel, and you got some bullshit over here, because that's horrible, all right? You find a video that shows this cell phone case and how cool it is and stuff like that. All right, and maybe this cell phone case is for an iPhone, all right? Start focusing, all right? iPhone cases, have a specialization, all right? Focus on the iPhone case. You've got this one case that you're selling, and make your account every cool feature, angle, every picture you can of this case, of this thing, and just keep going, all right? You look at Gary Vaynerchuk, K-Swiss, the shoe company that he's got, all right? It's like a shoe. It's this shoe. It's got this theme. Okay? It's not pink and polka dot and purple and blue and orange and green and yellow. It's not any of that. It's like, you see what I'm saying? To have a monetization message. All right, this is branding. Okay? Like Honda's not going and changing up their little H logo. That's what it is. Hyundai, what it is, it's the flying H actually. Literally, it's the flying H. I worked for Hyundai, okay? It's moving forward, all right? They're not changing that. They're not changing, that's what they do. Ford, here's Ford. Ford's got this thing, right? All right, it's been the same. It's been the same. You recognize it. And people start seeing that. They recognize it. So keep your monetization message the same. Keep branding like that. Guys, if you struggle at making money online, period, let alone making money on Instagram, this is something to do with it because you're out of focus. You're doing all these different things. You're going in 10 different directions. Ooh, here's a penny. Ooh, here's a penny. Ooh, here's a penny. Like, stop doing that, okay? One thing, all in, go forward, go up. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, okay? That's what's gonna make you the money on Instagram, all right? Smash the like button, subscribe if you're brand new. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Also, I've included a link in the description. Get the podcast. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you get on the Instagram Mastery web class. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.